Darla. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new, I would love for you to subscribe. I do crochet, I do other crafting things, I do yarn hauls, I do other Dollar Tree hauls, Dollarama hauls, etc, etc. Alright, if there's anything you see in this video you like, please click like. Alright, so busy. Whew. Okay. Where do I start? Do I tell you about this or that? Anyway, okay, so on Saturday, Karen Pruden, she's with Karen Pruden's Let's Stitch and Makeup channel. I'll put her link below. She arranged a craft along for her and myself and Kelly from Life of a Millwife. So I'll put her link as well. And so Kelly opened up her home to us and we went there and did a craft along. We were making cards and she did a live. I also did a live. The angle wasn't good for me. It was just like, oh, what the heck is that? A double chin? Anyway. So anyway, it was great. Thank you, Kelly. Thank you, Karen, for arranging this. It was so much fun. Oh my goodness, so much fun. And we had lunch and crafted for several hours, and then we went shopping. Kelly took us shopping. All right, so let me just show you a few things. I'll show you the card that I made shortly. But her friend Dorothy, Kelly's friend Dorothy, I believe she made these masks and she was selling them, so we bought some, and they're reversible. So this is one of them. I really like the color and the pattern on there, and it's reversible. That's the inside, so it's really cute. And then this one, although I don't follow the signs, Scorpio is my sign. Yeah. So let's see, to go this way. There's a couple of people there having a drink. And on the inside is yellow. And then this one is this has apples and strawberries and flowers. So it's very pretty. And then reversible, it's got blue inside. And then there's another one that I actually got for hubby, and I was amazed, like, because he doesn't like masks. And anyway, he's like, when I showed it to him, he says, oh, I didn't even tell him it was for him, and he says, oh, I'll wear that. So I'll put a picture of the mask because he took it to work today. I'll put that right here. All right, so what do you think of that one? That's masculine, I would say, but it doesn't really matter. Anybody could wear it, right? So I also want to say thank you to Kevin, who is Kelly's husband, for opening his home up to us. And I met Karen's husband, Robert, and oh my goodness, he's so funny. And anyway, it was great. It was great. Okay, so hi Robert and Karen, and hi Kevin and Kelly. All right, so, oh, and Brody, the little puppy dog that Kelly has. Oh, he looks like a little cotton ball. He's white with a little bit of black, and he's just so cute, so cute. All right. Okay, so Kelly gave me a sticker. This is her channel logo. Look at that across the bottom. Beautiful. Yeah, so thank you for that. And then let's take a look at the card. So she asked what kind of card. Well, I said we have a carport. Hubby's wants a garage, so I built him a garage. So this is it. It's got wood doors, and where the key goes, the key is hidden behind this garbage can. That's our house number. And barbecue. And then you open it up, and Kelly said I could put, you know, some kind of paper inside to cover these. But it's a garage. I don't think it really matters, right? I mean, anyway, but that would look cute. So I got some tools there, a tool hanging and a sign, and a red truck. Although our truck is white, and then we have another one that's two-tone gray and white. So, but the red one shows up better, and it made me think of the Christmas truck, you know. And then Kelly did a little bit of work on that truck she used. And I have this too here. This is glossy accents, and it makes she did it on the windows and stuff, and it, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it makes it kind of look like real windows. Yeah, and so we have brick for the wall. Yeah, and this is the back. So this is, I can't remember the entire name of this card, but it's a shadow box card. It's something about doors or something first, and then shadow box card. And I love to make shadow boxes, so this was right up my alley. All right, I really love it. What do you guys think of it? I so hope Karen shows hers on her channel. All right, so what else? So then Kelly took us shopping. Yes, we went to Value Village. We have that here in, I don't know if we have it across Canada or not, but it's a secondhand store, and it's huge. We have several of them here in Winnipeg. Yes, I got some crazy glasses. So yeah, and I've seen other people wear these. Ta-da! But you can cut these. You can cut these, and then you'll just have the guitars, and you can make whatever crafting project. So I got those from Value Village, and then I got these as well. All right, let's see. I need to get a thumbnail. I always forget, and I gotta make one or whatever. So should I have it like that, or should I have it like this? No, I don't want to really show the inside. Something like that. All right, maybe YouTube will pick it up. All right, I'll put my regular specs back on. Also, well, that's all I got at Value Village. And then we went to Dollarama, which is a Canadian store. And I got a few things there. I have a couple crochet things to show you as well, so hang on if you're a yarny person. I got two of these. They're wooden. They're just for putting some of my craft supplies in. These were $3 each. I got two. I like that they have the things. Okay, so got that. And then I saw somebody else had one of these on their channel. This I actually got for when I make hats, crochet hats. And also this mesh on here, I'm going to remove it because I use this for crafting projects too. So it's like a deal right there, 2-in-1. These are $4. I may, paint her face and give her some nice makeup. This is, for Halloween, right? But it's for my crochet hats. Okay, so then I got some really cool Halloween stickers. So, so there's these. These are fun. I thought they were really cute. You can make cards or decorate boxes or put them on Happy Mail on outside the envelope, or send them in Happy Mail just the way they are, right? I love those. Those are so cute. What do you guys think? I like the cats. And these were $1.25. And then I also got these Halloween stickers. Notice there's a owl and witch hat and a witch and yeah, skull. Just thought those are really neat. So I think I got 2 of everything except one of them. They only had 1. Here's another one. There's a owl right there. There's another owl. Yes, right there. So I am the Crafty Yarn Owl. So yeah, I thought those are really neat. Love them. Okay, then I got this. These almost look like mirrored ones. There's rats on there. Witches, pumpkin. Yeah, I thought those were cool. And then I got these. These are all cats, but yeah, their eyes are red. Black cats. Nothing wrong with black cats. Love them. I don't know about the red eyes though. So yeah, what do you think of those stickers? Then, okay, next thing is, I showed a bunch of purses the other day that I came across that I forgot all about that I had crocheted. I think, yes, was there a red? There was a red purse. I'm not sure if I showed this one. Did I show this red purse? It's got the bling on there. And this one was lined because I had one in the wash at the time. But I don't know if it was this one. But anyway. Yeah, it's lined in red. I know I showed you one that was lined in red. Okay, let me come right back with the other red one. Okay, so that other red one, yes, I did show you that one. This is the one I didn't show you. This is burgundy, actually, and it's got gold specks, and I added some gold-colored bling. I had to actually put one of the blingies back on, and I don't think it's in the right exact spot, but, oh, maybe it is, because it came out in the wash. So this is this one that I did not show last time. There's no lining in this one, but I very well could put a lining. And this one is a crossbody. So yeah, can you see the gold sparkles? Don't know what kind of yarn this was. It was so long ago, I don't remember. But anyway, fancy. Okay. Hey, where was I now? Oh yes, okay, the next item, and it's a Bagoday scarf, one of her latest ones. This is so easy and so fast. I did it just in a couple of hours. Of course, I didn't make mine as long as hers. She made hers really, really long. Let's see. So this is it. And I love it. Plus, I love this yarn. I'll show you what the yarn is in a minute. Love it. Love it. I did not sew my ends in. Okay. So. Not as long as Crystal's that Bagoday, but I like this length. You wrap it around, cover up the other chin, and I love just love it. It's so easy. I think it turned out great in this yarn. All right, this yarn was gifted to me by Affordably, oh, I had to think for a minute. Affordably Crafty, and it's lovely Kim. We did a yarn swap, and she sent me this. I'm in Canada, she's in the States, so she sent me some Hobby Lobby yarn, I believe. Yes, Hobby Lobby. It is Yarn Bee, soft and sleek, low pill fiber, 186 yards. I didn't even use the whole ball. Color is green. It is low pill fiber. I think it's got acrylic on here somewhere. Yeah, 100% low pill acrylic. Yes, okay, I got it right. 6mm hook, and that's what I used. It is a 4 medium. And you really, you know what, I really don't normally work with the thicker yarn, but it's not that thick. It's not that thick. But I loved it. I loved working with it. Thank you, Kim. Thank you for this amazing color. She gave me 2 balls. They looked like they weren't the same colorway or something. But they were supposed to be. And it's because they were wrapped differently. Because they have the, you know, the light shade of green and then darker, kind of a medium shade. Yeah, so I love it. I love the colors. I love the yarn. I love the pattern. Thank you, Crystal. And yeah, and I love you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go. I have a yarn order coming. I don't know if it's gonna be today or not. Still waiting for a couple or one happy mail, I think. Yeah. So anyway, love you all. Thank you so much. Just wiping the whatever off my face fibers. All right, thank you so much. Love you all. You have a fantastic day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.